Hi guys, back with Bastons. I hope you're all well. I hope you're all keeping safe. Tiffany blue is now the new green. We all know how much the Tiffany blue Patek Nautilus sold for at the auction the other day. It was in excess of $6.5 million. And I knew as soon as that happened that other Tiffany blue dial watches would suddenly jump up in value. And there was one particular make and model that I had my eyes focused on, and that was the Rolex Oyster Perpetual 41mm variant. It's a watch that retails or should retail at £4,700, but on the grey market it was retailing at £12,000 to £13,000. I've even seen vlogs on YouTube where grey market dealers have advised their customers not to pay the premium for this watch, and they would be better paying the premium for a Rolex steel sports model instead. Well, last night I decided to look on a certain watch trading platform at the price of this watch, and this is in UK dealerships, not abroad, just solely UK dealerships. The cheapest price that I could see this watch was £25,000. Most dealers had it in a price range of £33,000 to £35,000. And one dealer was even asking £51,500, over 10 times the list price for this watch. And that is absolutely ludicrous. That watch is simply not worth that sort of premium. And I'll put this into context. The black dial Oyster Perpetual 41mm. I have seen that watch in grey market dealers priced at £6,395. So basically you are paying anywhere in the region of about a £20,000 to £40,000 premium for the dial colour. And that is complete and utter madness. That watch is simply not worth that price. But it hasn't stopped there. I was on the phone a few days ago to a authorized dealer of Oris, and Oris produce a candy green dial watch, I should say. Picture of it coming up now. And he couldn't give that watch away for love and money. Nobody wanted it. Within hours of the Tiffany blue Patek Nautilus being sold, guess what happens? He sells the watch. But not only that, he now has a waiting list for that watch. We all know what green dials were commanding. We all know what price the Hulk is commanding currently on the grey market, what price the olive green date Rolex is commanding on the grey market, the green dial yellow gold Daytona is commanding on the green market. We all know the green dial Patek 5711 is trading well above list price. But I have to say, the Tiffany blue seems to be usurping that by a long, long way. I have always said that the best dial colours for a watch are white and black. They have the longevity to stand the test of time. I think that these colours, like the green, like the Tiffany blue, will date in years to come. And people will think what we were doing buying this colour dial for a watch. But more importantly, people will think, were people really that mad to pay those prices for these watches? Stay safe and stay tuned.